Good afternoon, I'm Chad Ferguson. I own the FRSTeam franchise in Kansas City, and I wanted to give you a tour. But hey, who's FRSTeam? FRSTeam is the company that restores your personal belongings after an insurance claim, after a water loss, after a fire loss. We come in, pack out your personal belongings, your textiles, your clothing, anything of a fabric nature, anything electronic, anything that has a battery that plugs in, and all of your furniture. Come with me, let me show you how it works. Let's do this tour right. We've got a lobby, and yes, the lobby's full right now. We've got so much stuff in the warehouse right now, I've had to move my project coordinator to the front lobby so that we can make room for everybody. But here we are. We've got a great team of about 11 people here on site. Walk in, we have the accounting and the GM's office where all the operations happen. I mentioned electronics earlier. What does that mean? That means everything like you see here. We've got racks and racks of electronics, TVs, computers, small kitchen appliances, you name it, we clean it, we restore it, package it, and return it to you. Follow me to the plant. Okay, so when you think textiles, you think, what is that? We're talking clothing. We're talking your stuff that you would send to the dry cleaner. Just anything that's in your closet. We clean it, we wrap it, we hang it up, we pack it in boxes. Everything in our warehouse is QR coded. It's got a label on it. We know where everything is and where it all goes, okay? Commercial laundry facilities, what you really want to think about. We've got about 10 dryers. We can process about 150 pounds every 45 minutes. Dirty laundry. Everything that we do comes in, gets loaded into a box. That giant box is holding that whole job. It may take multiple boxes. We do process things just in time, but as quickly as possible, because a lot of things will be here for up to a year and a half. As we continue on, we are a massive storage facility. We store in vaults. We store it on shelves. Too much stuff on the floor. Everything gets wrapped. Everything's got a name on it. We know how everything is in this plant. It's all mapped. We know where it's at. We've got hand cleaning area. We clean everything that gets hand cleaned. We clean it with machines, but everything gets inventoried. It's been an awfully busy last 2 months, so we are busting at the seams as we get things inventoried, processed, and in its storage location. As you see, it may look a little bit chaotic, but it's organized. We know everybody's job, where it's at, as it gets inventoried and processed. All this will be gone through within 24 hours. We're in the process of making room for more vaults. Currently we have about 50 vaults in here. We've got another 20 coming next week. Dirty textiles. We mentioned inventorying. Everything gets totally inventoried here. Everything gets photoed, from your contents, your electronics, to your individual clothing items. Everything has a picture, and we send that photo inventory straight to you. We go through these things flawlessly. All right, one of the things that does make us different and better is everything goes through a deodorization chamber, which really means it goes through a process to suck all the smoke, the smell, whatever is trapped in that clothing, it's gonna come out. Those contents, we actually are gonna make it smell better than brand new. So thank you for coming. We'll see you next time. Have a great day.